Good morning. Today I will share what I've got in my profile using bandicam software, and I will go to accessibility, grades, calendar, switch to companion, preferences, switch role, and finally I will log out. So let's go. Accessibility. I enable accessibility toolbar. Grades. It's really good to know how many grades you've got. So if it is possible, you can follow it here. Calendar. This is the option that I really like because it's a kind of reminder, especially about Zoom meetings that we in the course we got on Sunday. Let's go to preferences. So I can edit my profile. I can choose preferred language. Also, I can choose forum preferences or editor preferences. I did it especially because we've got Tiny NC editor nowadays, so it's just confirm. Then you can choose also messages or notification preferences, but I'm not going to change anything. There is also badges that you can manage your badges if you like. And it's really nice to know what kind of badges have you got after different courses. The only courses that I usually take, this is the courses organized by Nelly Deutsch. So, what I can say more, and I'm going to edit profile. There is a very important message that I should put here. This is my time zone. This is our meetings, and then I've got an information just on time. Also, I can change my current picture. I'm not going to do this. Okay, and here's logout. Should I do this? Not yet. Thank you.